Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of GCP and You. In this video, we will discuss how to use Cloud SQL. Before that, if you enjoy the video, please do like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Don't forget to share this video. Cloud SQL is a fully managed database service that helps you set up, maintain, manage, and administer your MySQL relational databases on Google Cloud Platform. So let's start by navigating to Cloud SQL. Let's click on Create Instance, and this is where we create the instances. So here we have all these options provided by Google Cloud. We have MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, and we will, for the time being, choose MySQL. And here is where we have to mention the instance ID. So we can give any name we want. So I'll just say mydb as the instance ID. And here is the password for the root user. So in case if you don't want any password, you can also check this no password, and then you can mention the location where the database should be set up, and you can also choose the version, and you can just click on create. So it will take a bit of time for the instance to be created. And once the instance is created, you will be able to monitor the instance. So here you can see, you can edit or import or export, restart, stop, delete, or even clone your instance. And you can see this is the dashboard for the instance, and you can measure any of these parameters here, and you can also connect to the information. Then here is the configuration, and you can connect to this instance using the public IP address, or you can connect using a cloud shell, which I'm going to do here. So this is the command for connecting to the cloud shell. I'll just hit enter. And now we have to enter the password. So this is basically like logging in to a MySQL. And once it is done, we will have the MySQL prompt. Now we can perform all the SQL queries here. So just for a demo, I'll create a database using the create database command. I'm creating a database named sample. Now I'll change the database with the use command. And I'm going to create a table using create table. Entries is the name of the table which I'm using, and I'll also give some parameters. So this is basically the normal SQL operations that we do while designing the commands. So I'm just giving some parameters to the table. There are some attributes. Entry ID int not null, and it gets auto incremented. And I'll also mention the primary key to be the entry ID. And just put enter. Okay, seems like an error, maybe. Yeah, okay, a closing bracket was extra. Okay, so now the table is created, and now we can add some values into the table using the insert into command. So insert into entries, and the attributes, guest name, and also the content and values. And I'll mention the values here within double quotes. Since it is varchar, we have to mention the value in as a string. So we have to use double quotes or single quotes, and I'll just change some messages to populate the table. So it will be first guest and second guest. And now the table is populated. Now we'll also perform a select operation by select star from entries, and you can see this is the table which we have created now. So we can use, say, a cloud SQL when we need to use a relational database, and this is how you actually operate using cloud SQL. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you soon. Bye.